Hey there, Rambler Rogue here in Miami Beach. Laundromat with the common folk just on the edge of the touristy area. Chatting with some Australian ladies, waiting for my laundry to be finished in the washer. And feeling much better than before. I had a decent sleep. I had to wear my earplugs though. Staying at the hostel in Miami Beach. Yesterday I had grasshoppers for the first time. Had some beef tongue tacos for the first time at the taqueria, just under the hostel. Miami Beach has a very prosperous, very happy vibe to it. And yeah, decided to extend my stay one more night, waiting on a job heading north, and if it doesn't pan out, then I'll hop on an airplane. But yeah, very pleased to be doing laundry. And yeah, I'm going to try to get some new shoes and yeah, have some fun, get some rest. That's all.